everyone, today I would like to talk about myself. My full name is Jatafna Naba. My nickname is Naba. I am 8 years old. I read in class 2 at Novelty School and College. There were 5 people in my family: my father, my mother, my elder brother, my younger sister, and myself. I have been living there for the last 5 years. I have been studying English for 5 months. I'm from Kumilla, but now I live in Dhaka. My father's name is MD Motiur Rahman Sarkar. He is a businessman. My mother's name is Halima Khatun. She is a homemaker. My future plan is a doctor, and I am a student, and my brother is a student, and my little sister is a baby. Thanks for listening.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।